Let's start with our example for homogeneous food, for instance cheese, that contains 20 grams of fat for a portion of 100 grams. This means that its fat content is 20%. The mass of fat is proportional to the total mass, that is, the mass of the portion, as we can simply multiply the mass of the portion by 20% to get the mass of fat. And in the other way around, the total mass is 5 times as large as the mass of fat. We note here that the 5 and the 20% have no units, because when we calculated them, we got grams per gram, and as it's the same unit, it disappears. Indeed, we see that it doesn't matter which mass unit we use, grams, kilograms, pounds, etc. We'd always have these coefficients or ratios of 5 and 20%. We get something similar with the ingredients of our cake recipe, where we see that multiplying the quantities by 2, 3, 4, etc., the ingredients are always in the same proportions. Indeed, the mass of flour is always double that of sugar, or the mass of sugar is always 3/4 of that of butter. As in the previous example, these coefficients have no units, because all the quantities are in the same unit, here in grams, and we'd have the same coefficients with any mass unit. However, we do find a proportional relationship between two quantities in two different units using the bottom line, which gives how many people each recipe is for. And so we have, for instance, the coefficient of proportionality of 20 grams of butter per person.